Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a very fun activity and it's called Shoe Clash. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So in this activity, you're going to need a few household items. You're going to need a hula hoop or some type of rink. You can do that with chalk. You would need a bucket or a basket and a small sheet or blanket. And your shoes. Those are the only items you're going to need for this activity. All right, so here's the setup. The blanket is going to go on the bottom. You're going to have your hula hoop right here, and then your bucket's going to go in the center. If your shoe lands in the green, that's going to be worth 1 point, okay? If your shoe lands anywhere in the hula hoop area, that's worth 2 points. If your shoe lands in the bucket, that's going to be worth 3 points. Today we're going to have 3 different levels. Level 1, we're going to use our dominant foot. So I'm right-footed. I'm going to use my right foot to kick off my shoes. That's going to be level 1. Level 2, I'm going to use my non-dominant foot. I am right-footed, so my left foot's going to be my non-dominant foot. I'm going to use my left foot to kick both shoes. And then level 3, I'm going to use both my right foot and my left foot. So then we're going to do those 3 rounds, and whoever has the most points out of those 3 rounds will win. So I'm going to go ahead and count 8 steps from my pole. And again, I'm going to use my dominant foot to try to make it in to the hole. That's my right foot, my dominant. Oh, close. It's on the green, so that's going to be worth 1 point. Let me go with my second shoe. Oh, made it in the hula. That's worth 2 points. Total points for round number 1 for me is 3. Jordan's going to go next. Oh, 1 point. Nice job. Level 2. Level 2 requires you to use your non-dominant foot. I'm right-footed, so now it's going to be my left foot. So my opposite foot forward and kick. My opposite foot and kick. Oh, so close. Now we're on level 3. I'm going to use my right foot to kick off one, and then I'm going to use my left foot to kick off another one. So my opposite foot and kick. Oh, very close. Here's my feet and kick. Oh, 1 on the green. I got 1 point. So total points for my 3 rounds is 4 points. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that game of Shoe Clash. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let us know, what was your final score? What was your best part of the activity that you enjoyed? Did you beat my score? Did you beat Jordan's score? Drop a comment below. Let us know. Also, as a reminder, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.